Ever felt like your belongings have a giant "Steal Me" sign at the airport? Well, today we're diving into the sneaky world of airport theft and, more importantly, how you can outsmart those pesky pilferers. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Security checkpoint. Imagine you're at the airport security checkpoint, balancing on one foot as you remove your shoes, fumbling with bins, and trying to remember if you packed your liquids correctly. In this orchestrated chaos, opportunistic thieves see a golden moment. They often operate in pairs. One distracts you with a seemingly innocent conversation or by causing a minor commotion, while the other swiftly makes off with unattended belongings. Maybe you remember this incident. In 2023, an alleged theft ring involving Transportation Security Administration workers at Miami International Airport was uncovered, exposing vulnerabilities within airport security protocols. This incident highlights the importance of remaining vigilant, as even trusted personnel can sometimes be involved in such schemes. So what can you do? Here are some tips. First, avoid placing your items on the conveyor belt until you're ready to pass through the metal detector. This minimizes the time your belongings are out of your sight. Second, if you're traveling with someone, have one person go through the scanner first to keep an eye on the incoming items, ensuring nothing is tampered with or taken. Another great tip: place smaller valuables like wallets, phones, and watches inside your carry-on or personal item before reaching the checkpoint. This reduces the number of loose items and keeps them less visible to potential thieves. Finally, stay focused. Politely decline unnecessary conversations or distractions from strangers during the screening process. Great tips, right? Let me know in the comments. If you find them useful, don't forget to hit that like button. And for more travel insights and hacks, make sure to subscribe to Empower Your Journey, your go-to spot for all things travel. Let's continue. Number 2. Gate change. The classic airport gate change, a rite of passage for every traveler. One moment, you're comfortably seated at Gate A3, sipping overpriced coffee and contemplating duty-free Toblerone. The next, an announcement blares. Attention passengers, Flight 407 has been moved to Gate Z99. Cue the mad dash reminiscent of a scene from Home Alone, weaving through crowds, dodging luggage carts, and questioning your life choices. In a recent viral TikTok video, travelers experienced a last-minute gate change, capturing the ensuing chaos as they sprinted across the terminal, narrowly making their flight. This was hilarious, but so dramatic at the same time. So here's some tips. Stay alert. Regularly check the flight information displays and keep an ear out for announcements. Also, don't forget to travel light. Keep your essentials in a compact, easily portable bag to facilitate swift movement. Secure your valuables. Avoid placing important items in outer pockets or easily accessible compartments. By staying vigilant and prepared, you can turn gate change chaos into just another amusing travel anecdote. Number 3. Early morning flights. Those crack of dawn flights might save you money, but they also come with increased risks. Early mornings at the airports can mean fewer staff and more opportunities for thieves. Right? Think about this scenario. It's 4:30 a.m. and you're navigating the dimly lit corridors of the airport, clutching your coffee like it's the elixir of life. The terminal is eerily quiet, save for the occasional announcement and the soft hum of cleaning machines. You find a seat near your gate, place your carry-on beside you, and decide to close your eyes for just a moment. When you open them, your bag is gone, vanished into the pre-dawn mist. How to avoid this scam? Always stay alert. Resist the temptation to doze off in secluded areas. If you need rest, choose spots near other travelers or in well-monitored zones. Then, secure your items. Use a carabiner or a luggage lock to attach your bag to your seat or wrap a strap around your arm or leg. This adds an extra layer of security against opportunistic thieves. Above all, limit distractions. Avoid burying yourself in your phone or other devices. Keeping aware of your surroundings can deter potential thieves. Number 4. Bathroom breaks. Nature calls, but what do you do with your bags? Leaving them unattended is a no-go. Seek out family or accessible restrooms where you can bring your luggage inside without performing acrobatic feats. These spacious sanctuaries are perfect for keeping both you and your bags safe. Alternatively, if you're feeling sociable, you might consider asking a trustworthy fellow traveler to watch your bags momentarily. But remember, trust is like toothpaste. Once it's out, you can't put it back in. Number 5. The helpful stranger. Talking about trust, be wary of overly helpful strangers, especially if you appear lost or confused. Some thieves pose as good Samaritans to get close to you and your belongings. As an example, in October 2024, a woman at Bengaluru International Airport in India experienced such a scam. She wanted to access the airport lounge but couldn't find her physical credit card. Attempting to access via her phone, she was approached by an individual posing as lounge staff. He instructed her to download a specific app for verification, which later led to unauthorized transactions totaling over $1,000 or 87,000 rupees. This incident underscores the importance of verifying the identity of those offering assistance and being cautious about downloading unfamiliar applications. So always exercise caution when accepting help from strangers. If you require assistance, seek out official airport personnel or approach information desks. Be wary of unsolicited offers, especially those that involve handling your personal belongings or requesting personal information. Have you ever encountered overly helpful strangers during your travels? How did you handle the situation? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below to help fellow travelers stay vigilant. Number 6. Flashy gadgets. Carrying expensive-looking luggage or flashing high-end gadgets can make you a target. Consider the story of John, a 60-year-old businessman from Chicago. On a trip through Miami International Airport, John proudly carried his designer luggage and frequently used his high-end tablet while waiting at the gate. Unbeknownst to him, a group of opportunistic thieves had taken notice. As boarding commenced and the area became crowded, one thief created a distraction while another swiftly made off with John's unattended bag. By the time John realized his belongings were missing, the culprits had vanished into the sea of passengers. Here's some pro tips. Opt for inconspicuous luggage and keep valuables out of sight. Remember, blending in is a great defense. By choosing to travel discreetly, we not only protect our possessions, but also ensure a more relaxed and enjoyable journey. Number 7. Traveling alone dilemma. Solo travel is becoming the new lifestyle for many people, especially digital nomads. But there's a catch. Picture this. You're on a solo adventure navigating the vast expanse of an international airport during an overnight layover. The terminals are eerily quiet, the cleaning crew your only companions, and every shadow seems to whisper, "Stay alert." You finally decide to catch some rest during that long layover. So, you spot a secluded corner, perfect for a quick nap. You settle in, using your backpack as a makeshift pillow, and drift into a light sleep. Moments later, you're startled awake by the sensation of your backpack being tugged away. Disoriented, you find yourself face to face with an overly curious airport service dog mistaking your bag for a new toy. Kinda funny, unless it's not a dog next time, but some sneaky thief trying to unzip your bag while you're sleeping. Have you experienced something similar? Like having an unexpected layover or found yourself alone in an unfamiliar airport? How did you ensure your safety and keep your belongings secure? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below, but here are my recommendations. Choose your resting spot wisely. Opt for areas near other travelers or within sight of airport staff. Well-lit, populated spots deter potential thieves and reduce the chances of surprise encounters. Secure your belongings. Thread a bag strap around your arm or leg while resting. Some savvy travelers even use carabiners to clip their bags to their seats, adding an extra layer of security. Stay connected. Keep friends or family informed about your whereabouts. Regular check-ins provide an added sense of security. Number 8. Charging station setups. We've all been there. Your device is on the brink of dying, and the nearest charging station seems like a lifeline. But before you plug in, let's delve into the potential risks and how to safeguard your devices. First scenario, you're at a bustling airport, your tablet's battery teetering on the edge of 1%. Spotting an empty spot at a charging station, you leave your device connected and wander off to grab a coffee. Upon returning, your tablet is gone, and with it, access to personal emails, photos, and sensitive information. This scenario isn't just a figment of imagination. It's a cautionary tale highlighting the vulnerabilities of unattended devices in public charging areas. But the threats don't end with physical theft. There's a cyber risk lurking in public charging stations known as juice jacking. This occurs when malicious actors tamper with public USB ports to install malware onto connected devices. Once infected, your device could have its data compromised or even be remotely controlled. The FBI has issued warnings about this very threat, advising travelers to exercise caution when charging their devices in public spaces. Have you ever had your device stolen or encountered suspicious activity at a charging station? Share your experience. So what are my pro tips? Use portable power banks. Invest in a reliable power bank to charge your devices on the go. This allows you to maintain control over your device's security and avoid reliance on public charging stations. Stay with your device. If you must use a public charging station, remain with your device while it charges. This vigilance reduces the risk of both physical theft and cyber threats. Avoid public USB ports. Whenever possible, refrain from using public USB charging stations. Instead, use your own charger plugged into a standard electrical outlet. This practice minimizes the risk of juice jacking. Finally, number 9, baggage claim. Believe it or not, luggage theft at baggage claim areas is a thing. Thieves can easily walk off with bags if you're not attentive. Reports indicate that luggage theft at baggage claims is a real concern. Certain airports have garnered reputations for higher rates of baggage theft. According to reports, Miami International Airport, John F. Kennedy International Airport, and Los Angeles International Airport have been among the top airports for such incidents in the United States. This is what to do. Promptly visit baggage claim. Yes, head directly to the baggage claim area after landing to monitor your luggage's arrival. Personalize your bags. Use unique tags, stickers, or colorful ribbons to make your luggage easily identifiable. Employ tracking devices. Consider using tracking devices like AirTags to monitor your bag's location in real time. Airports are bustling hubs where distractions are plenty, and unfortunately, so are opportunistic thieves. By staying vigilant and implementing these tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to theft. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel-savvy advice. Safe travels until next time. Travel smart, earn more, and live free.